Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to remove censor from Valorant or any other thing that you want to remove from the settings in Valorant. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead into your Valorant client and then launch it after you log in of course your account. After that, we will start going through our settings. So let's go ahead to the settings and click here. Now, as you can see, there is so many settings. So there is there's general, controls, crosshair, video, audio. We will go through each one alone. So in general, we will find 5 to 6 section: accessibility, which is the language, and enemy highlight color, which is red in the normal situation. Here is mouse, so sensitivity, aim, etc. All the mouse details. And here is the map. So here you'll find some map detail, rotate, fixed, keep player centered, minimum size, minimum zoom, minimum vision codes, and show map region names. So here, if we go down below, you'll find privacy. Hide my name, use generic names for players, auto reject friend requests, and only allow party requests from friends. If you came in here, you'll find others. So basically guys, if you want to remove anything from these whole list, you can remove it simply by turning it off. So for example here, if you don't want your name to be shown to others, you can just make it off. Let's go now to controls. Basically here, if you want to remove any key, you can just click on it and it will be removed. Same goes here and here and for here. Now crosshair, it is pretty simple. If you want to show spectated players crosshair, you can turn it on. If not, you can just turn it off here. Here is the primary, so here's some settings of your own crosshair if you want to change it. And here's the video. Basically here where you can play with the settings of the video and the quality of the game. So here's the FPS, here's the graphic quality. You can make them off here, any quality that you don't want. And to make your PC, if your PC was so slow, you can just turn everything low and off. Here's the stats, you can hide everything. And now with audio. Here there's sound, voice chat if you want to turn off any voice chat, and voice over if you want to remove any voice over. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.